Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, wonderful people. Today we are going to make chicken mince recipe. So for this we need chicken mince around 1 kg. I have used here. Our chopped onions, I have used half kg. Tomatoes 3 medium sized. Ginger garlic paste 2 teaspoon garlic and 2 teaspoon ginger. Oil, I have used 5 tablespoon. Turmeric, I'm going to use 1 teaspoon. Kashmiri red chili 2 teaspoon. Cumin seeds 1 teaspoon and coriander powder 1 teaspoon. 1 small cinnamon, 4 cloves, 3 cardamom, and here our garam masala is around 2 teaspoon. Here I'm using some cubes, Maggi cubes, little bit pinch of salt and some green chilies. So let's get started. Here firstly we are adding our oil and our onions to it. Here at this point with my onions I'm gonna add the clove, my cinnamon stick, and the cardamom, and mix it well until it gets light goldenish in color. Well, now our onions are almost done, so we are gonna add our ginger garlic paste to it. And mix it well. Now I have mixed it well for 2 minutes. I'm going to add my tomatoes to it. Now I'll be adding Kashmiri red chili to it. Turmeric powder. Our garam masala. Cumin powder. And coriander powder. And we'll mix well. And now at this point I'll be adding my cubes as well. Now you can see the cubes have started melting over here. So at this point I'll be mixing it well. Now I have mixed it so well that oil is separated. If you can see it over here, the oil gets separated. Now we need to add some water to it. I added half a cup of water. Okay, for 5 minutes I have stirred it so well and you can just see the gravy. So now at this point I'll be adding our mince to it, chicken mince. Our 1 kg chicken mince. Now my mince is almost ready. I have continuously mixed it for around 10 to 15 minutes. it takes a short time. It doesn't take a long time to get prepared because it's chicken mince. If it's meat mince, it will definitely take a long time. So now we're gonna transfer it to our serving dish. So now our chicken mince fry is ready. So we'll just garnish it with a little bit of herbs. And a pinch of fenugreek leaves to it. So it's ready to serve. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, share and subscribe.